guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, what I have today for you is a Dollar Tree haul. I found some new finds again, and I'm really excited about what I found, okay? So this is in no particular order. Some is Farmhouse, some is 4th of July, and some is just stuff, okay? So let's get started with, I guess, the 4th of July. I love Dollar Tree socks, and I think this is so cute, the way that it has a little red band and the gray, and then the heart with the, like the American flag. I just think that's really cute. And these just fit sizes 5 through 9, okay? So I love those. And then I found these little hats, and you get 5. Some of them are red, and then some of them are blue, and they're like a real plasticky kind. Thought that would be cute. And then I got some of these foam scatter that have the white, the red, and the blue stars. Okay, then I went back and got some more wooden rulers. I'm addicted to these wooden rulers. I got 5 packages of wooden rulers, and they each have 2 in a package. Love these, okay? Then I found this really cute little container. It's like the galvanized metal, but look at the handle. I have never seen anything like that in my Dollar Tree, and it doesn't say flowers and garden like it normally does. And it's kind of big, but it's not really big, but I think that is so cute. So I picked that up. And then I picked up 2 of these Twig Garlands. I think they just look so pretty and so realistic. So I went ahead and picked 2 of those up. Then I picked up 2 things of the floral wire from Dollar Tree, naturally. And then I picked up 2 pizza pans. Okay. And then I picked up a really pretty cross that's wood. It's crafter square, and you can see that's kind of large. Then I picked up one of these. Okay. Little metal baskets. Then I picked up 3 of these little pencil holders. I think they come in like white or maybe silver and black, but I got the black. And then I picked up one of these little black, looks like chalkboards. They have them in the white, but I really liked the black. Little easel. And then I saw these little blocks. They're wooden cube blocks. This one has, and the drawers pull out. This one has a flower, and that one has a butterfly on it, and that's what they look like. I think there might have been another one, but I didn't get that one, but I thought these were really cute. Then I picked up this hanging planter container. I thought that was cute. They're in several colors. Then I picked up this. It's just a little, like a napkin holder, really, but I thought that was so pretty. And then I picked up this plant hanger. It supports a plant, and I just love the metal chain on that. I think that's so pretty. You could do so much with that. And then, oh, here's another 4th of July sign. It just says USA, and this is like real metal here and here and here and here. And it's a pretty large sign. Okay, and that's what that looks like. I thought that was really cute. Now, let me show you the rest of this. Well, other than this, I haven't seen before. I picked up another packet of these crafter square wood planks. I love these. You get 6 in a container, so I have 2 sets of these, and I love them. You can see they are very large, all right? Now, the rest of this is new to me. I haven't seen it before. Okay, crafter square mini glass containers. You can see, and they have the little cork stopper, and you can see how tiny these are. Okay, then I picked up a set that's just a little bit bigger than these. You can see those. And then I picked up a set that's a little bit bigger than those. I think those are just so pretty and unusual. Then I was in there. I love Dollar Tree washi. I found this washi with the bow ties. I just really liked that when I saw it with the polka dots. And then this one has like a top hat and a mustache. I thought those were just really sweet. And then I picked this craft decor. It was with the crafter square. I got the only 3 colors we had. It's a chalk writer, and it says that it's wet, erasable, and mess and dust free. Great for chalkboards, dry erase boards, windows, glass, mirrors, ceramic, and metal. And this one is in the gold. So I got that one. Then I got the one that's in the silver. I was hoping they had a white, but I didn't see it. And then they had a purple one. So you never know when you might want something like that. Okay, then I picked up, look at this. It's a piece of decor from Dollar Tree. It says fresh eggs daily, and then this is so raised in there, and that really looks like shiplap back in there, like wooden boards. And then this, to me it looks like a rooster more than a hen. So I think it's a rooster, but you can see that. I thought this was so cute for farmhouse decor. And then I just picked this up. It says, bless our home and all who enter. And that has that same look, like boards back in there. And they had several of these with different sayings inside them, but I picked this one up, and you can see this is dimensional, and that's really thick. And then they hang like that, and it's pretty weighty. I really liked that. And then this one, it says gather. Look at that, Dollar Tree, $1, and it's pretty large. Hangs the same way. And then this right here is dimensional and raised. And look at that weathered look. I just love it. And then I only have a few more things to show you. I love their stickers, and this just looks so happy and whimsical. I had to get it. I just love that owl. Just look how intense he looks. And then this one, and this little flamingo. She's all about it. And just all these little parrots, and I just love all these. And they're kind of dimensional. And then I saw this one, pineapple, with all the pineapples. Doesn't that look like summer and such fun? I love this, okay? And these are all crafter square. And I love sloths. I think they are so cute. And this one, it just has nothing but sloths on it. And it says, lazy day, take time to chill, free hugs. Those are so cute. And they're just slightly dimensional, but these are adorable. And then when I was in there, I had never seen these either. These jewel border stickers from Crafter Square, and they're champagne colored, and they look like they have like little pearls right in the center. And then they have just like glitter jewels all the way around. I hope you can see. It might be kind of hard, but I love this. So I got 3 bunches of these. So I hope you enjoyed the haul. I had so much fun going to the Dollar Tree. I was going through Dollar Tree withdrawals, but now that I'm able to get out and go, of course I wear my mask and my gloves, and I stay 6 feet away from everyone, and then I take my gloves off and use hand sanitizer. But I'm really enjoying all the wonderful things that my Dollar Tree has. So I'll see you on Friday for a Dollar Tree DIY. I'm really excited about this one. I know I say that all the time, but I think you're really going to enjoy this one. It's very different. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate it if you would go ahead and subscribe and become a part of our family. And when you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you don't miss an upload. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Until next time, bye guys.